राहुल
Yes, sir. Yeah.
कैसे हो?
Yeah. Good morning.
तो विशिंग यू वेरी हैप्पी गांधी जयंती।
Thank you, sir. Thank you to
बहुत अच्छा हवा चल रहा है, देखो सब अच्छा हवा।
Yeah.
So this multiple auspicious day has made the more auspicious,
Yeah.
and you have done the excellent. You have done the excellent. The way you have performed, the way your learners has performed is marvelous. The achieving the international diploma and DA3 unit DA3 results of 17th July was extraordinary.
Yeah. How was
Extraordinary.
it, sir?
It was close to 90%. I must say it is 89% precisely. So heartiest congratulations to you. Well done. Well done.
Thank you. Thank
Great
you.
job done.
Yeah,
Keep it up. Keep it up.
Yes, sir.
हाँ?
Yes.
मेरा दिल जो है ना एकदम
Yes.
बाग बाग हो गया। ठीक है। The way the learners has performed, and most important is the highest score is like 94.
94. Oh, that is really great.
Most important is the highest score is like 94.
94. Oh, that is really great.
Something it is close to the perfection.
Perfection. Yes.
Yeah, so excellent. The
94.
Vikash Gupta,
Yeah. Mr. Vikas Gupta.
Mr. Vikash Gupta has scored very well.
Yeah.
So
94 is a really a marvelous number.
topper of this
Right.
unit examinations.
DI3.
I hope he must have got the highest among globally.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Yeah.
Something are pending still.
Yeah. I don't know the other global results, but yeah. So achieving 94 could be like extraordinary, or could be exceptional.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe.
It may be exceptional. Yeah. Well done,
Yeah.
Rahul.
Yeah.
This is the reflection of your efforts. Okay. You have a potential to make the people to reach to the score of perfection up to 94. It is excellent. In previous also,
Yes.
Mohammad Firoz Alam also scored equal to the same numbers. Okay.
Yeah. Suraj Desai. Also.
Suraj Desai also scored. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, very good.
Learner also was there.
Very well. See, many learners have achieved 90 plus score. Yeah.
90 plus.
Huh? Oh, super. So
It is a effort of the Create Lecture Academy. It is a joint effort of each and every team member. In the starting the inquiry until they are connected with the Create Lecture Academy. So that is the important part. Because everyone is a part of the success. And then credit goes to all learners. Because they are realizing the importance of certificate and they are making all the effort. Day and night they are maybe making the effort, doing hard work, sacrificing from the family point of view and the social point of view, but they are going to make timing and all the effort they are making. That is the important part for the learners. Yes, that is a tutor is also one part of the team, but it goes to everyone. Credit goes to everyone.
See,
it is
credit is everyone.
Yeah.
Credit to the learners definitely.
Yes.
But see, the pilot who is making this Boeing flight, okay, to fly, okay.
So aircraft is okay. That's why the pilot is able to fly the aircraft.
So pilot is to be a good. So you as a pilot, as a mentor, as a tutor, so you have done excellency, like the excellency what you have achieved, like demonstrating. It is not examinations about the DI3 about, okay.
Yes.
It is, you may say, repeat. If you see the all the consistency of the previous units, and every time you are getting the close to this 80 and above, okay.
Yes.
80% and above results, okay. So people from the different overseas countries, people from the Malaysia, people from the Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Nigeria, Kenya, Africa. People have been experiencing that, and they have been
From UK.
they are witnessing that. People have been witnessing, people from UK, people from Oman, people from the Dubai, Abu Dhabi. Yeah. So people have been experiencing all this excellency. See, this is what I call it justification. Okay.
Yeah.
So our efforts, see, people have been with a great dream. Okay.
Yeah, they are coming for this exam. And
Taking the admission, choosing the seat, selections of the institutions, like selection of the institutions, and then getting a success. So learners, until they select the institutions, okay.
Yes.
There's a big exercise they have to go undergo. Okay.
They have to survey, market survey.
Market surveys and all. See, and as a institutions, how we have been reciprocating it, how we are giving them
Yes.
in the terms of the returns
Yes.
in terms of the success and the
Yes.
happiness and the performance. Okay, that is what we feel happy as a justification. Okay.
Yes.
So
So I would say that because the management giving the freedom, I told many times, and that is a part that we are able to manage the classes as per timing, and maybe sometime evening 7:30 and sometime 9 o'clock, and the learner also adjustable. So both the way it is happening. Management is also giving the flexibility. This is the important part, and giving lot of facilities to the learners. They can repeat the class. They are getting the recorded sessions, and they have the flexibility to submit the mock exam anytime they can submit, and multiple modes they can submit. They can submit on the WhatsApp, and by the distance learning platform also they are submitting, and they are available to discuss. We also can discuss what is their problem. They are also available to discuss with us.
So see, both of us, the either side. So we are very much accessible to them, the learners.
Yes.
They feel little easiness during the tutorials. Okay, it is not the only at the time of the tutorials we are accessible.
Yes.
It is a two-way communication methods we have been adopting it.
Yes.
The formative assessment, what we have been doing it.
Yeah, that is a regular part.
That is a regular part of it. Okay, so that is also making them more better, improve, better preparations. Okay, for the better readiness for the examination. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it is overall, it is a collective, as you said, like flight. Okay, you are a pilot, and the flight should be also good. So as a back-end team, okay, so our whole management systems has been very good. We are trying to be a more better improvement time to time. Okay, so hopefully in the coming days, in coming examination results, we'll have the better and better results outcome.
Our process is established by the management. That is really very foolproof process. The learner join from the first day. He start getting the study material from the first day, and then he is getting the any support from management. The support team is available. They also feel easy to contact. Vandana madam is there also motivating them time to time, and your session also coming in between as a goal setting motivation program. The 7 days motivation program that also giving the lot of boost to the learners. So that is also small things, but it's going to create a very big impact. When the learner realize the importance of the certificate, then they are alone during the time of 2 weeks, but they came to know the importance of the certificate. As a graduate certificate.
So, I am very lucky that you was a part of my team while visiting to the.
I also feel lucky that I am part of 3S LifeSafe Academy, especially with you and madam. I feel very lucky.
So no, I feel rather lucky that you are part of the 3S, and now you as a team members while visiting to the UK also.
Yeah, that was.
So we had a very good travel
with it. It was sponsored by the 3S LifeSafe Academy.
No,
all and expenditure was there. That is different part. It was a mixing.
That is not a matter to quote here. Yeah, it is all happiness. We spent a good time.
It was 100% sponsored. No. It was planned for other learners also, and due to some, we were not having the awareness transit visa. Otherwise,
no problem. That is
our more learners would also have been.
Okay, no problem.
And we could have enjoyed that program much more better manner.
You know, like if you see the graduate award ceremony booklets, okay?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Just hold me, I'll just get it, okay? So this is the graduate award ceremony booklets with the award ceremony on the 16th of September, University of Warwick, when we went there, okay? And very happy to say that many learners have highlighted here. Okay, see the green color highlights. The overall total 750 odd learners have achieved the diploma certificates globally, international diploma. So the 7 learners were achieved this distinction. Globally. Out of 7 learners, 2 learners belongs to your learner. Okay, so you can see Mohammed.
3S LifeSafe Academy.
Is your learner?
Yeah, Muhammad Alam and Suraj Samad Desai. And we used to quote them. These learners were really dedicated for this exam. Yeah, Mr. Muhammad Alam, Suraj Alam. Even then he's so busy in daily working, and he's the head of his department, corporate office head HSC, and he used to take even then after going to home, he used to go to the private library.
Very good.
To focus on that and daily writing.
He's a very dedicated.
Very dedicated and very humble person. And Mr. Suraj Samad Desai, he came to India back and he dreamed that he have to achieve the certificate. And day and night he made an effort. And luckily he got 2 results in part also. And both the result he got cleared. Yes.
Yeah, see, I tell you, Vandana was saying that. So overall, whenever the results comes now, the results have the different score level.
Yeah, score level. Yes.
Score level reflects the your efforts level.
Yeah, everyone.
Average. Learner's effort level.
Yes.
So what they have been putting it.
Yes.
So that reflects in your results. Okay.
They are reflecting in our
So
results.
obviously, learner with the better efforts could have been made better scores. Okay.
Yes.
But passing the NABOSH IDF international level of the level 6 course, it is something like something achieving a sky. Okay.
Yes, achieving the sky and with a great good marking. Not only just pass.
Yeah.
They are not simply just pass. Even when they go to distinction, in the distinction also they are the highest level.
So you can see here, so many learners have achieved the
Like
two learners.
Gulshan
Chauhan credit score.
And into distinction, AI3 he got 96
96
marks. That is the level they have.
Yeah, see,
Irfan Ali Khan first attempt he cleared. Aswat Rai he also cleared in first attempt.
credit score.
Yeah,
Okay.
Usman Siddiqui.
Nandan Singh,
sir.
He is such a senior person.
Senior person, they achieved the certificate. Yes.
And the efforts what he put in. Okay.
Yes.
So as such a level of the age,
Yeah.
what
That
then
after
we are really hands up on him.
Yeah. That is a great part.
Okay.
Unni Krishnan. Yeah. That is also.
This is all the credit score learner.
But they put a main effort and they sacrifice a lot. I will say first 40-45 days they will be associated
Correct.
day and night.
For unit, for each unit.
For each unit.
Each unit.
Each unit they will be engaged with that. Management also will be giving a lot of documentation part.
Yeah.
And we have Prem Kumar.
Kumar.
He also dedicated person.
He was when he approached me.
Yes.
He said, "I've not done the NABOSH IGC. Can I do this?" I said, "You can do."
Yes.
And he did it.
Yes.
Okay, directly IDP. Okay, and see, this is a Surya Kumar.
From Malaysia.
Devashish Mathi.
Yes.
Charanjit
Mohan Singh.
Here.
Yeah.
You can see Madhu Kumar Singh, such a senior person. Alok Singh. Ayan Sinha.
That is our IGC.
And then you have Sagar. Now, this is
the more name may be coming.
So why I'm telling you this?
Yes.
This is the when you have the NABOSH booklet of the 2025.
Yes.
You have many more learners.
Maybe 3 times.
Yeah, more than this. 3
or 4 times they will be there.
Yeah, I'm expecting by the time of July 2025. So now in this DA3 results. So almost some 11 learners have completed all the 3 units.
Okay, complete. Good.
And
many congratulations to all the learners.
Yeah.
Yes.
And also many of the learners when this booklet was printed in the July roughly.
Yes.
So
some
result has not been included
in this.
Okay.
So then more learners.
And then again you are going to come the DI1 results in the month of November.
Yes.
In the month of September, November.
December, 18 December.
18 December.
Yeah, if they give early, then people can enjoy that.
Yeah. So this is something. It is such a wonderful privilege.
Yes.
And having the name to be printed in the NABOSH booklets of the award ceremony.
It is also proud moment for all the learners.
Yeah, proud moment for all of us rather also.
Yeah, for us also. We are also part of this. So
very well.
But again, I will thank to learners because they are putting lot of effort.
It is
that is beyond explanation part, but they are going to make a day and night effort, and they realize that they need to get certificate. Not only certificate, they are thinking to learn it from the 3S Lifesaver Academy and to implement at the workplace. So they are going to execute the things. So that is the different level of learning they are going to get, and they also sharing their own experience during the class time. That is also benefit for all others people also. And the past learner also coming and they are also motivating them. That is also one good part of the process. So people get clarified in various doubts and and those process also like in formative assessment and summative assessment is also wonderful. That process was established that people become more engaged with the journey of this diploma program. And before that, there will be good luck session. They will be come to know the how to write the exam, previous question papers, and guidelines from others. So this complete process is helping to each other. For everyone, it is going to help them.
I was speaking to when he called Sajal Das was called me.
Sajal Das,
so he was praising you like anything, obviously. And then he was saying that, sir, today, like I never thought of achieving the distinction. Okay.
The first attempt.
I remember the first day when I called you that you encouraged me because I was going for other level 6 program.
Yeah.
I'm not quoting here. So I was going for some achieving the level 6,
Yes.
but I have some fear about the achieving going through the NABOSH International Diploma. Being a professionals working in such a good organizations, but
Yes.
still I was not having so much of time, and then I thought of okay, let me complete level 6, but I was going back of the NABOSH IDP, okay,
Yes.
because I had some mind thought like it is very tough to achieve that. And achieving the distinction today
Yes.
is totally changed my thought process, okay.
Yes.
And all the credit goes to the 3 years collectively.
Yes.
Definitely Rahul Eren, you as a mentor, and Vanna ma'am, because during the first call, you only motivated me to go for IDIP, and
Yes.
you differentiated how this other level 6 programs and this level 6 program will make the difference in your
Career.
Okay. So today I realize that that was a very better call, and that call has made me to achieve this.
Achieve this also, distinction also.
So that is and achieving to the distinction. He has scored distinction with just the distinction score with the 226.
Yeah, good. But he also made a lot of big effort.
Yeah. Obviously, he is.
He got a like exam. He got some audit, multiple audit. But
he
he tried to write and write.
He is a EHS head. EHS head for the Pan India.
Yeah.
He is taking care in. He's in a good position. He is in a good position.
Yeah, very senior position.
Very senior positions and very.
Yes.
I went to Mumbai last month in the month of August, but we made an appointment to meet, but I got delayed with the IOCL, so I could not meet him. Okay.
Yeah. So this is the way you see the EHS academy is better. And the hand holding is also there. Till the process, hand holding is there. From the day one and till the last day, they are connected with us. In future also, they will be more connecting. Yes. So that is a part of the system.
So next time also we should be ready for going for the UK.
Let more people get distinction.
Let more people to get distinctions.
Yes.
And then we'll ready for the UK visit. Let's see. UK was a really good country.
Yeah.
Good country to visit.
Really enjoyed over there. Time we have. Good time we spent over there. A lot of learning was there in there. Yes. And whatever we are like doing or teaching in the India, everything is implemented over there.
Okay.
We experienced that part. Yes.
Yeah, the implementations.
Yes.
And that video we made now about the scaffolding.
Scaffolding.
That was when people have been like that video, and many people.
General part over there. Like
Because that is a normal thing we ignore.
Yeah.
Normally in a normal scaffolding directions,
yes.
we don't protect the scaffold.
With the cushion part.
So that was when people have been appreciated that very well.
Yeah, that also may be there.
We made some few videos now. Good practices.
Yes.
So always we should encourage to adopt the good practices. Okay.
Yeah.
That will be useful eye openings for the others. Okay.
Yeah. And India is also very much required to implement. Maybe like this roadside, people are there, but pedestrian pathway maybe sometimes not properly managed due to the maybe the government part, but then it can be once the mindset will be ready, then people will be really implementing. So this is a really good. The result has
good. So this is the graduate awards, and we witnessed this.
We witnessed this part. Yes.
We witnessed this. Correct.
Yes.
So good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you being a team.
Thank you to all the learners.
Thank you and congratulations all the learners. And I'm telling you very openly to all the learners, very wholeheartedly. Don't look anything. Join to 3S Life Safe Academy. We will give you unconditionally. These are all genuine efforts to make you more better prepared, better for the examinations. Okay. No commercial. Commercial is not the only conditions. Okay. Is the like condition is the quality. We first prioritize is the quality, and you should always encourage more than the commercials. You should first choose the institutions which produce the quality and the better results, because the knowledge and the skilling, what you'll get it additionally more and more under the 3S Life Safe Academy. We have an excellent team of the tutors. We have a very good process that will make you more beneficial and more knowledgeable. So welcome all the learners who wish to join the 3S Life Self Academy. Please join 3S just blindly and get a taste of the success. Thank you and heartiest congratulations all the learners who have been passed successfully in Bosch International Diploma and passing all other courses also. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rahul,
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
your wonderful efforts.
Yeah, thank you. to
Thanks
all
a
the
lot.
learners and-
Thanks a lot.
3S empowering, 3S safety, 3S excellency.